everyone, hope you're well. I'm here today to film a Nastygal unboxing and try on video for you all. I'm sure you guys know that Nastygal is probably one of my favourite online retailers, and I just feel like they are up there with the trends. I actually have my sister's birthday coming up, and I think my mum's doing a barbecue, so I'm really hoping that I find a cool outfit to wear for that. But I wanted to tell you guys that this video is kindly sponsored by Nastygal, and I'm so glad to be working with them again. You guys know I've been shopping with them for a while, and all the items featured in this video I will link down below, and I will actually put my size for reference that I ordered, because I know that when you're shopping online, lots of you guys always ask me what size should I get, so definitely check out the down bar for references and links to everything shown. So let's get on with this video, because I've had these things sitting in my room for a while now and I really want to try them. Also, do you guys like the look, the sleek look? I never have my hair this straight. The only person who can get my hair this poker straight is my cousin, and I was at her house yesterday and she was like, should we straighten your hair? And I was like, yes please. So if I look really different, the hair is just, it's throwing me off. So if it's throwing you guys off, I totally get it. But this is my huge Nastygal package. I'm so excited. Okay, it feels like, honestly, like my birthday or Christmas. I've been wanting one of these for so long, but I just honestly didn't know where to get it, and I thought, okay, I know Nastygal's just gonna make the perfect one. So this is a like wooden bag thing. I don't know what to call it. A wooden clutch bag, but it does have a handle, and I've wanted one of these, like I said, for so long. This is so well made. As I said earlier, I have so many garden parties and things this year, and I'm so excited to rock one of these finally. Then I see I have a pair of shoes. Oh my god, these are going to be perfection. As I said, look at these guys. These feel so expensive. Okay, if anyone knows me and you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I am such a fan of like a squared off toe situation on a shoe. The heel height is perfect, definitely walkable, but you still get that lovely height. And it's kind of in like a suede material, which I didn't realize, but gorgeous with like little dresses. Even like now, like what I'm wearing now is literally a t-shirt, and you can't see but jeans, like ripped jeans. We have two winners already. Okay, I'm so excited. I love it when this happens and you love everything. I'm doing like all the accessories first. Okay, anyone who knows me knows I love a headband. Oh my god. Okay, without like the necklace situation, if I just had like the stripy tee and the headband, are we loving it? I love it. I love a headband, even for like work. Imagine if you're just wearing like a white shirt and like navy trousers or black trousers, and you just have like a really cute headband. Very pleased so far, guys. I feel like I'm hoping I definitely find something here for my sister's party. Okay, we're getting on to clothes. I just feel like these kind of things are so good to wear on, like, you know, those crazy hot days that we did have for bank holiday, Easter bank holiday. And I just find I don't have a lot of these kind of pieces in my wardrobe, but it's just this gorgeous little like crop top. You can wear like a little cami underneath it. I feel like you can do so much with these kind of tops, and they're just good ones to have. I size up in a lot of my Nastygal, so as I said, I will list what size this is down below. But how gorgeous, the detail. It's a really nice weightless material, and I definitely know I'm going to be getting wear out of that. This is one of the Emma Louise Connolly things, and this definitely caught my eye, if it is what I think it is. Yes, it's a top. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I think I got one of the matching sets to go with it, so I will show that to you guys obviously. But it feels like a little bit of like a linen material, which I'm so into linen. Every single summer, spring, linen. I don't know why. I know it creases like crazy, but I love a bit of linen in my life. And I'm hoping that this set is actually what I get to wear for my sister's birthday. I know I'm banging on about it, but I think this goes with it. Oh my god, so literally these two go together, but this is the skirt. I actually like that it's more of like an A-line shape, because I find these skirts suit me really nicely. And I just feel like every time that I buy from Nastygal, their quality is just better and better each time. And I feel like with those little shoes that I showed you guys at the beginning, and the little bag, you guys can probably tell what kind of avenue I'm going down. Then I got this shirt, or I chose this shirt. And I think if I remember correctly, it's just like a Oh, I definitely get to wear these kind of things. See, these are the kind of things I would wear on like a casual weekend, but I can also wear to work with like black trousers, and it's just a pink shirt, even like with a white tank top underneath and just open, like unbuttoned. Very like 90s vibes. Sorry, that was my email. But I'm so into stuff like this, and I just feel like these are the kind of things I like to throw on the weekends especially. This is a top, and it's kind of like a jacket thing, I think. I don't think it's exactly a top. I'm just trying to show it to you guys properly. I would wear it as like a little jacket, like over something, but it's this gorgeous little shirt thing. It's got a little cinched in waist, buttons and pockets, which I'm obsessed with. Again, with jeans or with like a little skirt. How lovely is this? And as I said, the quality just feels lovely. This is again like the kind of little top that I really wanted for summer days. I know it's black, but I think I got something to match it, possibly. But even just on its own, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it because black doesn't do well in my cameras, but it's just a little top. It's got like a little bit of a detail, if you can see there, probably not, but you'll see it in the try on. I then got this to wear possibly on holiday if I end up going. I'm more of a last minute kind of gal, but this is to go over my bathing suit. I might not try this on because I don't really want to go on like a bathing suit on camera, but I will show you guys the model wearing it. But oh my god, how beautiful is this? It's a lovely like salmon pink crochet like over bikini thing. What are they called? And it's short and beautiful, and like I said, just made so well. Imagine me on a beach with my lovely little necklaces, this little crochet thing, and a bikini underneath. I'm sure we're all getting that vibe. But yeah, they have such good cover-ups. That's what it's called, a swimsuit cover-up. There we go, my brain came into work. But I love a good swimsuit cover-up, and they last you forever. Like, stuff like that never goes out of style. Then we do have the matching thing that I got to go with the little top. These kind of skirts are so in at the moment, and I know there's a lot of like white ones, but I really like sometimes just wearing black. I don't wear black half as much as I used to back in the day. I'm sure you guys know from watching my videos, but I do like a black set every now and again. I got this to go with that little black top, and I'm so excited with like a good pair of sandals. One of them is actually another top that goes with the little skirt that I showed you guys from the Emma, I'm gonna just butcher the name, from the lovely girl who does the collection with Nastygal. I'm gonna forget her name. But this is another version of a top, so they do two styles. If you're someone who doesn't like a off the shoulder look, then they do this little shirt version, which I thought was just as cute and just gives you a different look. This is probably a little bit more casual than that little top, but honestly, either way, whatever you're comfortable with. And you can wear this with jeans. So the good thing is when you're buying a co-ord, don't feel like you have to wear it as a co-ord like all the time. You can sew, interchange and mix and match and do things like that. Never feel restricted. And lastly, but by no means least, I honestly feel like Nastygal, this is some good stuff here. And really interchangeable too, which I love. This is a gorgeous little, like, it looks like it's a wrap skirt, but it's not. Again, I'm not going to be able to show it to you guys as well like this, but it's got beautiful little like flower details, and it's like a flower and then a drawn flower, and it's just got frills. This whole frill thing is so in this spring, summer. Again, don't feel afraid to like mix prints. You don't have to wear this with like a block t-shirt. You can totally wear it with like a stripe like I'm wearing now, so you can go a little bit crazy. But guys, that is my Nastygal haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and a big thank you to Nastygal for working with me again. As I said, all the links will be listed down below in the down bar, so definitely go and check it out. And I will have sizes, as I said at the beginning of this video, for reference, just to help you guys out. Let me know down below which was your favorite item that I showed. I will see you guys all very, very soon. Take care. Love you all lots. Bye.